I'm Bona and welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. For today's episode, we will make Jollibee's famous peach mango pie. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we need for the filling are 1 cup of peaches cut in cubes, 1 cup of mangoes cut in cubes, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. For the crust, we need 2 1/4 cups of plain flour, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg yolk, and cooking oil for frying. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a pan over medium heat, add the peaches, mangoes, sugar, cinnamon, and dilute the 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water. And add it into the pan. Mix them together until it thickens. Once it is already thick, set this aside and let it completely cool. In a bowl, add the flour and the sugar. Mix them together until they are combined. Add the butter and cut it into the flour mixture using a pastry blender, or you can also pinch the butter into the flour mixture using your hands until coarse crumbs are formed. Add the milk and the egg yolk. Mix them together until you form a dough. If the dough is too crumbly, add some more liquid, a tablespoon at a time. Using your hands, work the dough until they all come together. Cover the dough with cling film. Place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to overnight. After 30 minutes, place the dough into the work surface lined with parchment paper. Then, cover this with another parchment paper. Flatten it to form a big rectangle using a rolling pin. Flattened it so thin, around 1/4 inches in thickness. Cut the edges. And cut the dough into smaller rectangles. Fill the rectangles with 2 tablespoons of peach mango filling. Cover it. And seal the edges by pressing it with a fork. Transfer it in a tray lined with parchment paper. Do this with the remaining rectangles. Flatten the remaining cuttings of the dough and make another rectangle. In a pan over medium heat, heat the oil to 175 degrees Celsius. Once it's already hot, fry the pie until golden brown. Once it's already golden brown, transfer the pie into a strainer to drain the excess oil. Here's our finished product! Now, let's have a look what it looks like inside. It smells so good! And it's so crispy in the outside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for the next delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!